wanted to give you a quick update on the 15,000 subscriber challenge that I posted a couple of weeks ago. Essentially, I gave every single one of my subscribers a chance to win a $200 gift certificate to Kies Motorsports simply by commenting and being a subscriber. Now, today we're going to select that winner, but before I do that, I just wanted to thank every single one of you for supporting me, being part of this journey, and enjoying, liking, giving me thumbs up, and really sort of allowing me to have this outlet, not only for myself, but for others to enjoy. So again, thank you very much. I'm really happy that you are here with me. And today, without any further ado, this is what we're going to do. So if you look at my video, I've got about, or the video that I posted, there are 277 comments. But it's not 277 individual comments. I replied to some of them, so it's 187 individual comments. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this app called Randomize. So 187, look, 187, randomize, 97. So the 97th comment is going to win the prize. And just so you don't think I'm cheating, let's see. That's going to be a lot of comments to count, so bear with me. I'm going to fast forward this. If you slow down the video, you'll still be able to count 97, but I'm going to do this in a fast forward motion. So 95, 96, 97, let's see, 97 we said. Okay, so a username called Dodgery said, I can't remember, did you sell your 666 wheels? If not, let me know. Love the channel. So, and I responded to that comment, but because I don't want to put his profile in a public spotlight. So let's see. I just want to see if, all right, everything matches. Dodgery. Geez, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I will contact you through YouTube. If you don't hear from me, why don't you email me? I'm going to link the email down below. But at this point, you are the winner of this $200 gift certificate to Kies Motorsports. So you'll be able to pick whatever you want. Brian and I will arrange it somehow, and you'll get that prize. So congratulations to you, and congratulations to everyone who participated. I think I'm going to do more of these because I think they're kind of fun. Maybe not necessarily $200 all the time, but once we reach 100,000, I think there's going to be something big. But anyways, so thank you once again. Thank you for watching. Thanks for being a part of this journey, and congratulations to Doggery for for winning. And I'll see every single one of you, I hope, in the next video. Bye bye.